गुड मॉर्निंग बॉयज़। आई होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट। और इस वीडियो पे एक कई सालों से सोच रहा था। इट वाज लाइक रैंडम थॉट, और कभी कभार ये थॉट आ भी जाता दिमाग में कि माई बॉयज़ एंड वी ऑल आर हु आर इम्प्रूविंग देमसेल्फ आर हैविंग zero competition. Seriously, bro, if you're improving yourself now, you don't have any competition. Seriously, like, let me explain you in this video. Or huh, if you're into this type of video now, like, for improving yourself, bro, it gonna affect your life anyhow. People are busy chasing small dopamines, like fucking dopamines that hits. They can't get out of that scrolling zone. They don't have that guts. They are pussy. If you're here now connecting with me, you are king. You are the real winner. Just how to keep that winning streak now, it's simple. Be accountable. Like, whatever I am telling you, just journal it out, and it will help you out. Just bring it in the front of your face. Okay, let's start, my boys. Okay, I have journaled it out. Okay, like most men are poor, are out of shape, have zero game, can't talk properly, can't hold eye contact. Seriously, they have no purpose in life. Okay, it has never been easier to be in the top 1%. It's so simple. Like, it's so simple. I have written it in my notes. Okay, and literally, bro, like they all are same. Okay, most men are soft. They want results without resistance. Like, simple. मेहनत नहीं करनी है. ठीक है. They are busy hitting that dopamine. They want instant results. I don't care if I'm not getting views for the next 1,000 videos now. I know I gonna win anyhow. Not today, not tomorrow, but if you, absolutely, but one day I gonna win. It's gonna happen. It's simple, bro. Consistency wins, but people wants within one day. Okay? They want results without resistance, women without weight, and peace without war. There is no peace without war. Okay? Women without weight. There is no woman without weight. Okay, you have to put some values, bro. It's so simple. You have to put some value to the nature, to the ecosystem. Then only Mother Nature gonna give you that chance to fuck someone. It's not that simple, bro. You have to lift. You have to become. You have to make that scars on your physique. A physique is not something soft. They are scars. They're having different curves, different shapes. वो मेहनत है तुम्हारी. तुम्हें लगता है कि वो जस्ट एस्थेटिक है. एस्थेटिक्स जैसा कुछ नहीं है. It scars on your physique, on your mind. Okay? Remember, discomfort is the new luxury, bro. Every man is chasing comfort and they are thinking that it's the luxury. Discomfort is the new luxury. Fitness is the new luxury. Everyone can afford Apple on EMIs, but no one can afford fitness, discomfort. Embrace it and you will separate instantly. Okay, just chase discomfort, my boys. You're gonna win in your life anyhow. You're gonna win in your life. Remember, पता है, most men don't train. They're loser. They're pussy. Bro, anyhow fate आने ही आना है यार. Indian lifestyle, Indian food, ऐसा छुदा हुआ है ना. It's fucked up. Fate will come. तुम कितने भी एस्थेटिक हो, तुम्हारी फिजिक 26 हो, 28 वेस्ट हो, योर फेट विल बी देयर एनी हाउ विदिन 10 years, विदिन 5 years. यू डोंट नो द रियलिटी ऑफ फूड यू आर ईटिंग. वो खाने के लिए बना ही नहीं है भाई. Seriously, bro, if you're not working out now, you're gonna fuck yourself. Remember, their bodies are weak. Okay, their minds scattered, their will is fragile. Okay, will comes to like doing something, or like एक जज्बा, the will to do something, it's fragile, बहुत weak है वो. Their minds scattered, घबराते हैं, shuttered है, like okay, their bodies are weak, है ना. Their mind, basically there are three things: mind, physique, and one thing that's inner side. They all are weak in all the three terms. ठीक है. When you move with strength, you remind the world that a man looks like. Seriously, you got respect when you have strength. If you don't have strength, you don't get respect. Most men are lost. No mission, no structure, no vision beyond the next dopamine hit. If you knows ना कि तुम्हें dopamine क्यों मिल रहा है, if you have that structure ना, if you have that mission, and you are winner. Simple, simple. It's so simple. The man who knows where he's going already outnumbers them all. I have told you. I have told you. If you knows कि जो तुम कर रहे हो, consciously कर रहे हो, then you are already a winner. Already a winner. Okay, there's no problem. There's no problem. Okay, most men talk too much. They explain, defend, justify, try to prove they are enough. A calm man who speaks less and move with intentions hold real gravity. Okay, don't be a ball बच्चन. सिर्फ बोल बोल करने से नहीं होता. Action, it output, it looks, and people can sense it. जरा ऊंची देने से कुछ नहीं होता भाई. समझ रहे हो ना? ऊंचा देना, like it's good for short term, for short gratification, but long term you're gonna be a loser. Okay. Most men are invincible. They blend in because they fear standing out. Build yourself in silence until your presence does the talking. Okay? I told you, remember. Don't spit it with your mouth. Let the people look at you. Okay? That's why it's so easy. You have zero competition, and we all knows that. But you have to take that action, bro. Just think, if you are first time watching this video and you want to make a good physique, oh, you will be thinking यार, आज से 4 साल बाद मेरी फिजिक बनेगी. बट ब्रो, एक बात बताऊँ, आज से 4 साल पास होंगे ही. इफ यू डाइज और नॉट, इफ यू विन्स और नॉट, इफ यू आर पुअर और नॉट, इफ यू आर देयर और नॉट, 4 years gonna pass anyway. Remember this, not time gonna pass anyway. If you want to win, remember, you don't need to compete, you just need to rise above the noise quietly, daily and relentlessly. What a term I have written, yaar. What a, seriously, uh, hear it out again. You just need to rise above the noise quietly, daily, and relentlessly. In a world full of weak men, strength is rebellion, something that people crave to see it. Women love it. Seriously, bro, women love the strength. That strength is not just about having a bicep of 16, bro, in terms of all 7, 10 aspects. In terms of leading, in terms of dominance, in terms of money, in terms of looks, in terms of masculinity, in terms of guidance. That's strength. That's the real fucking strength. And it's so easy, bro. It's so easy. If you're working on something, just be relentless. Don't tell to anyone. You will fuck the world. We both will fuck the world. Stay strong, boys. See you in the next one. I hope I have added some values. If I did so, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm giving you one on one free coaching. Remember, free is something mysterious. People don't respect free things. Just come and join our cult. We are here on a mission to make our boys strong. Okay? If I want to make a fucking channel of gaming, if I want to make a fucking channel of vlogging, I don't fucking care, bro. But I'm into something, a niche that separates me from another man. A man who thinks about another man is on a purpose, and I'm on a purpose that wants to lift you all up. My boys, my friends, my brothers, you all will be stronger, and we will be stronger together. Just join me. Come and follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me. Let's start.